Hey everyone, and welcome to the GMB Dominator software video tutorial. Okay, there's not much work to do in this, but with project, if you want to create a new project, you click on next, and the project name will come from the title of the project. It won't save that data till you get right to the end and click on start. Then it uploads all that information to our database, which means you can run this software on different computers and you won't lose that data. That being said, if you run it on a different computer from where you started it, contact support to get your license reset. So here is my project. Profile name. Pretty simple. Click on next. Now this is the GMB URL. So you go to your GMB, click on share. See that short URL it creates? Click on copy link. Boom. That's it. That's what goes in there. Enter the keyword phrase that you want your GMB to rank for. Enter tags related to your GMB. We use 3 to 5. Now this is cool. Click on this link here, which brings this window up. Now you select either organization or local business. Then you fill out this data, like business name. See on the right, it completes that schema markup for you. So once you've done that, you fill out all this data here and then click on validate. That takes you to the Google search structured data testing tool. And click on there to verify. If there's any mistakes, you can fix that. So that's all too easy. Now here is where you put the suburbs. You can put up to 9. The reason there is 9 is that's a limitation Google puts on its maps, allowing you to put up to 9 driving directions to your GMB. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, 9. Now on this point about which neighborhoods or suburbs to choose, so pop over to the forum and you'll see we have a thread here, discussion on choosing the best neighborhoods to put in the software. If you can participate in that would be great. That will help all of us. You might have just one little thing that makes all the difference, or one of our other members may have that small thing. But anyway, pop over there to do that, then click next. This is where you put your YouTube URL. Now this software will be updated in the near future where it will allow you to put in multiple YouTube URLs, and the software will choose one of those randomly each time it creates a map. Now enter location. This is the location of your GMB. So you get that from here. Go to your GMB address, copy that, boom. Put that in the software. All done. Now here is where you enter your article content, and I like between 300 and 500 words. Where I got this content from was from the website of the GMB I'm promoting. Copied and pasted it, and then to create spin tags, click on this button and it brings you to this site where you can enter your article and then spin this content. Put your protected words in here that you don't want to be spun, like the keyword phrase or what have you. Pretty simple. Click on spin article, copy it, paste it in here, and then you can test your spin tags here. That's how many characters down below. So each time we create a map, you get a different variation of this relevant content based on your GMB. And really, that's it. Click next. Enter your... One thing that's really important here is to only use Gmail accounts where you've got a recovery email. Because when you start the software, it'll pop up a new browser that's never been associated with that Gmail address before, and it will ask, well, it may ask for your recovery email, and if it does, the software will enter and there will be no dramas. It will proceed as per usual. Now there's one option here. If you click on here, it will not create it will only create one map with all the driving directions to it. If you uncheck that, it will make one individual map for each location that you entered in the software, plus it will make the spider map at the bottom with all of them combined, and it will produce a PDF like this. Okay, so this is a PDF with 2 pages created by only choosing the spider map, as you can see here, and a full map, 2 pages, 7 pages, no, not that one, not that one, okay, 20 pages. So this one here is created when you uncheck that box, and it creates 1 page, links, individual maps, and these are hyperlinked, by the way, different content, embed code, map, individual maps, and then at the bottom it's got the embed, the spider map, plus it's got this link to the drive on Google, to this exact PDF. Boom, there it is there. So that's extremely cool. And then in our second bonus software, we will be using all these embed codes with schema markup in there. Why isn't that grabbing? And these images, and embedding them on the Google sites, plus an embed of this exact PDF that you're looking for stored on Google Drive. Extremely, extremely cool. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And really that's it. Click on next. Boom. Click on start. Browser window pops up and you can watch it do all those processes. And at the end it will then upload the PDF that was just created. It will use your Google account, upload it to that drive.google account associated with that email address. All done, and then it will pop up the PDF just like you saw before. Simple. Now, as I said in the other videos, this is a really simple software to operate, though to get it to perform the tasks that it does, it's been one of the most complicated we've ever made. So I hope you really enjoy this software, and give us as much feedback as you can on the forum in the members area, and feel free to suggest as many additional features that you can think of. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the forum.